Step outside and capture the beauty of nature with nothing but your sketchbook and pens. A few months ago, Aaron Limonick launched the first course in his ink sketching series, and we've been thrilled to see the incredible turnout from students around the world. Now he's back, this time with an entire course that focuses on the majestic power of natural scenes. Nature is endlessly complex, but Aaron will show you how to break down what you see into controlled and compelling compositions. You'll learn to identify and accentuate the true personality of natural objects, add texture with a few simple strokes of the pen, and build up detail while keeping everything in balanced harmony. This course is part of a whole series Aaron is creating. His first course, Ink Sketching Fundamentals, teaches you how to control your tools and utilize each major sketching technique. Later, in his architecture course, you'll analyze buildings, cityscapes, and interiors to capture the beauty of man-made complexity. Finally, with advanced techniques, you'll blend everything you've learned throughout the series into cohesive and powerful compositions. Each course includes full materials guides in which Aaron shows you exactly what pens, paper, and ink he recommends. From mountains and canyons to rivers, trees, and rolling hills, this course will cover everything you need to bring stunning natural scenes to the page. Sign up today and begin your journey at LearnSquared.com.